Welcome to Sofia here in Bulgaria for the second round of the UIPM Pentathlon World Cup series. The combined arena surrounded by a beautiful mountainous scenery, the weather unpredictable, adding to the long list of challenges awaiting our athletes over the course of the day. Starting in the pool, American Amro El-Ghaziri was fastest, finishing ahead of British pair Joseph Chung and Jamie Cook. Attention then turning to the fencing hall, and Christian Zillikens was very impressive. 26 victories and just 8 defeats meant he led the way and won the final bonus fencing round bout against Russian Alexander Livanov, picking up those 2 extra points. Over then to the horses, and better conditions than the women's individual on the previous day, but still by no means easy. 4 perfect scores, including a 2.97 for Russian Alexander Livanov and a 2.95 for Amro El-Ghaziri. Those two level on scores started the laser run from first place neck and neck, but in the end it was Mexican Manuel Padilla who progressed through the field to take gold. A great result for Mexico, with Joseph Chung from Great Britain in second and Fabian Liebig from Germany in third.